So hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching and tuning in, and please guys, watch till the end of this video because there's so much more coming your way. And remember to subscribe, turn on your bell notification, very important. Like, share, comment so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. Thank you guys in anticipation. Why not too much like this? Team Baba Mohbad was seen protesting at the National Assembly in Abuja, demanding for justice for Mohbad and a DNA test result of Mohbad's son, Liam, from Wumi, Mohbad's wife. Guys, listen to their leader and all that she said in this video. It is well.
At the National Assembly to ask our leaders, our fathers, our senior comrades, our representatives from various states around Nigeria that Mohbad is our son, Mohbad is our brother. His life was being taken by the people who lives around him for the last 48 hours.
48 hours, yes. Yeah.
And they refuse to tell the father, they refuse to tell concerned Nigeria what took the life of Mohbad. We call on Nigeria National Assembly, Mr. Senate President, as a French speaker, Mohbad's soul, seek for justice. Mohbad's soul, cry for justice. Today is Mohbad's son. Whose son is it tomorrow? Yes. They just struggle at our children. They killed Mohbad. Wumi said that. Wumi said she now will kill her husband. He just struggled to her husband. And she has refused to tell Nigerians who are the industrial god. Mohbad's neck was broken. Not to injustice. Not to injustice. Not to injustice. Not to injustice.
Justice.
Mohbad, Lagos State government said we should give them 10 weeks to bring an autopsy that Mohbad samples will be taken to Pennsylvania. Today, 15 weeks have been given. They came with inconclusive report.
Yes.
Inconclusive
Report.
Inconclusive
Report.
We don't want inconclusive
Report.
Tell us what killed Mohbad.
Yeah.
We want Nigerian government come into Mohbad rescue. Mohbad's soul seek for justice.
Yeah.
Mr. President, Baba Sanwo-Olu, Mr. Governor, Baba Sanwo-Olu, Mr. President, Baba Tinubu, Mohbad seek for justice. We concerned Nigerians, we said justice is a must.
Is a must.
DNA is a must.
Yes.
We must do DNA for Nigerians to know who is the father of that baby. Liam is not Mohbad's baby. If he is Mohbad's baby, DNA is a must.
Is a must.
Give us DNA. Thank you.
Yeah.
And this is how people reacted to that live video you guys just watched now. And this person said, now Queen Mother and Tonto, I let her blame cause now them start the justice. Josie done already burying Pekin. All these dirty things disturbing our peace for no happen, but I won't blame them on the other hand, cause now mother them be and they never knew the Josie was this greedy. The justice this Baba Mohbad team need is pronouncing Wumi guilty so that Baba Mohbad can come and acquire property. I love how they are really pushing their luck. They must continue till the government get tired of their bull crap and start picking them up one by one. They have selective hearing. Josie literally said he knows who by him Pekin, but has he spoken? Abi Alamo station where him they go every Monday, he never still see evidence job. This woman where they talk safe is sounding out of breath. Make she no go cause sickness for herself. That being said, guys, I came across one article like that Oba Elengushi petitioned Baba Mohbad, and he has been going in and out of the police station to answer his petition. And Baba Mohbad said, "Isn't it funny that I lost my son for months, and in my quest to unravel the curse of the buy of my son, I am being petitioned and need to answer to the police. Wow, I have gone again today to answer the call. Painfully, the petitioner didn't even show up. Who will lose such a precious jewel as Mohbad and keep mute? Please, you all should not relent in your support through any means achievable. Justice for Mohbad is justice for all." And people were like, "Baba Mohbad, now wetin fit you? Baba Mohbad, sit down there. Baba Mohbad, you called out for it. Baba Mohbad, you have been accusing Oba Elegushi to be the legitimate father of Liam. Baba Mohbad, that trouble you have been looking for, is time to face the music." In fact, lots and lots of comments people dropped here, and this person said he compromised this case by not shutting up his mouth and fight in silence. He got a good case. Who embalm more? Why? Is it hard? But I wish he can handle his feelings, because he threw that boy's spy out like a trash. Yoruba elders will say, "Omo any kuburi kafi." Oh, sorry guys, which means your child can't be that bad for you to give a lion to eat. He's supposed to stood on his ground and make sure nothing was compromised to his son's spy case, rather than granted nonsense interview up and down. Baba, this case dey God's hands. Go and bury Mo jeje and arrest those guys around him. Mo brother can do DNA Liam. It's simple. Let Mo rest. This man sabi gaslight and money and pule wella. He knows he's being petitioned for a character assassinate just because his pikin pie doesn't give him the right to stop other people from living. We've all been told where, when, why, and how Mohbad pie, along with the possible cause of pie. Josie only wants the truth to be tied. Josie only wants the truth to be a lie and the lie to become the truth. No amount of hate comments will stop judgments. When God is ready, he will disgrace all the people blocking this judgment. If the father is involved, he can be fighting for justice all alone, while the other family members keep quiet. Hopefully, I don't even know what to say at this point, because this matter, itayami, this matter. The Nigerian police, they have come out to tell us what actually made Mohbad, with the toxicology results that came out the other time, which went viral, and trended. So I don't know what to believe now. It is well. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please remember to drop your comments in the comment section. Pour down your emotions there. Remember to please smash on your red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notification to always get notified anytime I drop new video or videos on this channel. We react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories to my Tony subscribers. Thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now, as I'm signing off for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, bye.